Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Bizlit NG. In this video, I want to show you exactly how you can use the transfer method to add payments or add funds to your ad account. Now, if you use the Naira payment ad account and you're trying to add money to your ad account and you've been finding it difficult to do that, watch this video to the end because I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can use the transfer payments feature that Meta has just included again for us to be able to add money to our ad account. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is Bizlit NG, and we basically talk about Facebook ads and Instagram ads. I talk about ads platforms, different ad platforms, and how you can use them to grow your business and also improve your visibility. So let's get straight into the video for today. Now, I want to show you guys how to add money to your ad account using the new transfer feature that Meta has just added. Now, let me quickly say that this transfer feature, we had it before. I don't know, for some reasons, Meta took that away. And I mean, for those of you who have seen this, my video right here, I had a video where I shared this feature before. But after a while, I posted that video. Meta took down that feature, and a lot of people were asking me, I don't have this feature. What is happening? Now, the feature is back, and I want to show you exactly how it works. It's very simple. Just follow me. This video is going to be very short, but follow me carefully. So I'm going to go to my Meta Business Suite. I'm going to just, you know how to get there, business.facebook.com, and then you see a page like this, right? And then from this page, I'm going to click on All Tools, right? When I click on All Tools, it will take us to we're going to click on billing and payments, right? Billing and payments just here. You can find it here, or you can scroll down and also see it right here under manage right here. So billing and payments, then it'll take us to this page, right? So what we're going to do is we want to add funds to this ad account using the transfer feature. Now, understand that if you don't have a prepaid ad account, this might not be available for you. And also still understand that this feature is currently being rolled out. So sometimes you might not have it. Now, personally, on my own ad account, I don't have this feature, right? But I've seen a lot of people, a lot of my clients have this feature. So I'm showing you exactly how to use it. So we're going to click on add funds right here to the right side here, add funds. Then the next thing we're going to do is it's going to pop up a page. Then we'll continue from that page. So this is the page. So you're going to just add in how much you want to add to your ad account. So let's say 50,000. So we want to add 50,000 to our ad account. We type it there. Now, don't use the payment method or the card payment method. No, don't use. There are three methods here: debit or credit card, pay by bank transfer, which is what we want, or the Naira payment with MasterCard, which is the normal PayU that we know. But this one is different from the PayU. You can see it. The transfer method is different from PayU. So click transfer method and then click next. Okay. Right now, there's a VAT ID here. It's optional. You can skip that if you don't have any business with VAT. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is a page is going to open up by itself. Don't touch anything. That page will pop up by itself. Now, you can also do this on your mobile phone. It's possible to do this on your mobile phone as well. Now, all I have to do is enter in my phone number. This phone number can be any phone number. It really does not matter. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't affect what you're about to do. So I'm going to enter in my phone number and then click continue. So this is what you're going to see that will happen. Just look at my screen carefully. Okay. While you're waiting for that screen to pop up, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's going to really help me a lot. It's going to mean a lot to me. We're trying to hit 20,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Please and please help me make this possible. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you for doing that. Also, give it thumbs up. Give this video thumbs up as well. All right. So now it has loaded that page. Now, look at what they are saying here. Pay with bank transfer, pay into your virtual account for Facebook ads. Now, look at this part, the bottom part. This account, this virtual account is valid for, there's a countdown here. So it's not that you would always have to transfer into this account. Oh, please, let me say that now. It is just one time. This account number would always change every time you want to add money. So don't go and save this account number and be transferring money there. You are just dashing Meta money by doing that. So now this is the account 13661610. Yeah, you can see it here. So all I have to do is I'm going to just copy this account number. The beneficiary bank or the bank account is Paga, right? So this actually, all the bank accounts are Paga accounts. So I mean, I don't know the relationship Meta has with Paga, but anyway, Paga is the account number. Once you send the 50,000 Naira into this account number, immediately this page is going to load by itself. The moment your transfer is successful, don't touch anything on this page. It's going to reload by itself and tell you that the payment has gone successfully. Then it will now show the money where you have your billing and payments right here. You'll be able to see your money right there. It's very simple, and it's that simple. Okay, I hope you understand how this is done. You can also use your mobile phone to do this. It's the same process. It's easy as well. You can do this. Thank you so much. Let me know in the comment section if you have this transfer feature on your ad account already, and if there are more videos that you want me to create, please let me know. Thank you so much, and I hope this video helps you. Please share it to a lot of people so that people can get help that they need. Now, remember that this transfer feature, you can use any bank you want to, any bank, OPay, any bank you can use to transfer into that account. Thank you so much, guys, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.